Welcome to Nuer. Today we are going to learn these four English words. Share, kom in Toknat, bait, langerep, or dang, desk, kom nyura, gadul gora, table, a kom ala bokni, a lasket wide, chair, kom, bait, langerep, desk, kom nyura, for table, a kom or a kom, table, kom, desk, kom, bait, langerep or dang, chair, kom. Okay, let me give you these words here, and then you can say their meaning in Toknat. How do you call chair? Chair is what? Bait is what? Desk is what? Table is what? Can you mention their names in Toknat? Okay, chair, bait, desk, table. Okay, please try to write down their meanings depending on what we already learned up there, where we say chair, kom, bait, langerep, desk, kom nyura, table, a kom. Please keep on repeating these words with their meanings, and then fill up this question here. Thank you for watching.